Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm doing unboxing. By the way, shout out to my husband who got this for me on my birthday. I was eyeing on this item for quite a while because I wanted to gift it for myself on my birthday, but then he gifted to me on my birthday, so yeah, thank you.
From the box. It's heavy and it's the size extra large, so it's suitable for families like 5 to 8 I think, or 4 to 8, something like that. Okay, let's try to get this open. What's this for? So one day it doesn't open, it has stickers on the side. Okay, so it has a running track from the inside to pull it out. I thought it's the whole thing removed. And then that comes with a handle. It looks like a cake pan. And then it comes with this. So I guess this is it. Well, when the oil comes down, it drains to the bottom, so it doesn't stay. And it comes out. So that's how it looks like in the inside. It has like that, the fan style. That this one molds into this. So that goes in the bottom, I assume. Yeah. So it looks like this when you put it together. Then I think they have to connect with each other, do they? There's instructions, but you don't want to read instructions. This is how you're going to end up like. Maybe silly. Something has to go somewhere. Is it supposed to be like that? And it goes in. Oh no. Upside down. So lazy. There we go, because there's like a little hole here where this meshy thing will go into. So you put it in, and there you go. So it just sits on the top. It only locks it because of that little thing. Okay, and then you slide it back in. Oh, and it has like a lock thing. Alright. And it has a couple of buttons here, which I assume that's on. Pretty obvious, unless they changed the look of the on button. Probably haven't changed it. This means temperature for sure. That would be the timer. I don't know what that one is, and I don't know what that one is. So, this is a warranty, user manual, recipe book. We don't need the recipe book yet because we're not trying it out, but let's see if I did the right things the right way. Okay, so this is the drawer. basket with a removable mesh, that's it. Yep, I was right with the fact, producer. 5 is the pan, so this thing here is the pan. Next indicator, so letter D, so this is to turn it on, pretty sure, yeah, on and off button. Then this one is temperature, and this one down here is keep warm button, so like, for example, somebody's coming over but you cook everything on time, you will say, oh, they'll be late because they got caught in the traffic. You can like keep it warm, so you press that. Then this button is the timer button, this button is F, preset button, so that would be your options to probably what you pick, or what type of food you're cooking. And letter, well, D, this is a letter D here, quick control dial, so this is like taking your time to pick what you're cooking, I guess. And everything here has a timer how long you're going to cook it in here, so it's not like you're doing when you're frying stuff, you really have to provide a lot of oil. With this, it's just going to be cooked with its own oil, if that makes sense. You can even make a cake, oh wow, you can make cake, bread, you can cook chicken, fish, pork, frozen food. So that's that. So this is a recipe book. Let's just have a quick look in here. So it has the fat removal technology. That looks good, but it will be different when you're the one doing the cooking. So roast food, let's have a look. So French fries, it actually has a time for it. So cooking time for French fries is 40 minutes. So I assume that's fresh potatoes that you cut and then you cook. See, it even has banana bread. So this is going to be awesome. And you can even get an app that has, what does it say? The Airfryer app. So instead of having this, you have it on your phone. Very handy. And let's have a look around it. I think this part is the air vent. So you'll still have that smell of what you're cooking, but it's not as like when it's in the pan, it's more open. And the thing I like about it now, seeing this little pocket here at the back, it has a pocket to keep the wire in. So don't get caught anywhere, you just plug, take it out. If you want to go somewhere and bring it with you, you take it with you and then you just put it back in there. So that's a really good thing with a pocket. So that's it guys, so we'll see how we go with the cooking, and that will be on the next review. I'll see you guys later.